Hello. Are you a woman 50 or better? Do you feel stuck, stressed, and and frustrated because you're not reaching your goals you set for 2023 or any time in your life? Have you made your vision board yet? Because if you have, I can make it even better. And if you haven't, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that, how to do the most effective vision board possible, a Feng Shui style vision board where we bring in the energy of 2023 and align it with your energy and show you exactly where to place your goals on your vision board. So when you sign up or register for this vision board training on December the 29th, this coming Thursday, from 1 to 2:30 Mountain Time on Zoom, you will get a complete guide to how to set up that vision board. You will get extra support, individualized support, because this isn't just any vision board. It's the one that I've used throughout the years to manifest my goals, and I'd love to share that process with you. You'll also be eligible for an extra one-on-one call to find and remove your blocks. Plus, you'll get specific tips for your situation, your goals, your home, and how to make them really pop and really make them work. So click on the link to register for this Thursday, and you'll even have a private Facebook group. Anyway, click on the link, and I really would love to meet you on Thursday at 1 p.m. Mountain Time. And so I send you much love and blessings for a beautiful Christmas and a joyous New Year. See you then.